Hello guys, I have over 30 questions from the Lekki Headmaster, which I see as very important to you guys. You can see that number 2, the question is, what is the full name of the principal referred to as Bepo? That is number 2. The answer is B, Adewale Adepepo. Number 3, you can see as the answer is indicating with some colors. Number 3, the question says which teacher was known for her witty remark in the book. The answer is A, Mr. Ibidulus. Number 4, who were the 2 students involved in a rivalry dating back to JSS 3? You will see the answer is A. Which character is deeply committed to Africa history and culture? B. Number 6, section 2, themes. The question from there was what themes is central to rivalry between Banky and Toast? The answer is C. Number 7 is B. Number 8, we have Jambite syndrome. Number 9, we have historical memory. Number 10, we have dedication to duty. Number 11, we have he feared the stress at the immigration office. Just calm down and watch this video to the end. If you find it interesting, don't just watch and go. Please press subscribing button. Number 13, what project was the Invention Club working on? We have A phone making project. What delivery for first trip to UK? The answer is A. Number 15, answer is A. We have section 4, locations. Where is the stadium located? Stadium school located. The answer is A, Lekki. Number 17, D. Number 18, the answer is A. Which Lagos market is known for its bustling trade and Yoruba proverb? B, Oyingbo. Number 20, 21, we have B. 22, we have A. 23, C. What does the banner and paper farewell signify? Recognition of his efforts. The phrase Jambite syndrome, symbolic of what? All of the above. Miscellaneous, that is section 6. What was the bread project about? Size A, using recycled material. Who said if you want a debtor to lead and a tenant to lead the landlord? Answer is D, Canadians.